Chinwei food review today. We'll be doing McDonald's sausage and egg McGriddles. Well, McGriddles, apparently they said it was launched in 2015, but well, I'm not sure because I've never heard of McGriddles, neither have I tried it before. Maybe when they launched that, I was trying to lose weight or something, but well, got the whole meal as well as the chicken pizza cakes with the fries. Let's get started. This patty feels weird. It's not a normal patty. It smells like hot cake. Well, apparently when I read it, it says it's hot cake. It's very thick. The dough is very thick. It comes with an egg and a patty. Apparently, previously I heard that it was sold for breakfast. Now it's available all day 24/7. So how good is this? Not sure. I'm gonna give it a try like now. Oh, this is really good. Mmm. Mmm. The patty. The patty. It blends very well with the, what do you call this, the bread. Like the patty, the egg, and the meat. And the bread. Ooh, that is delicious. You get a very light flavor when you, very sweet and savory flavor. It's like the pancake is sweet, and then not the pancake, I mean the patty, which tastes like pancake, is very sweet. And then the patty is slightly salty with an egg. Ooh, that's just a perfect combo. I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10. One of the best burger. One of the best burger. Of the best, not the best, but one of the best burger I've ever eaten from McDonald's. The egg very nicely mixed together with patty. I'm almost finishing it. It's super good. Alright. McGriddles, definitely worth a try. Now I understand the hype. So this launched in collaboration with the World Cup. So it also comes with some chicken pizza cakes. This is new. Apparently they say it's like chicken meatballs. Never tried it before. So now I'm gonna try it. Break it into half. Oh, I can't break it. Oh, it's just like fishball. What? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna try it. Oh! Oh! There's a spaghetti sauce. Never knew that. It just bursts right through. And then the spaghetti sauce starts flowing out. Let me try to bite this into half. Oh yeah. The spaghetti sauce right there. You can see. It just flows out. Oh yeah, that's good. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Very nice. But the sauce could be added more. But still, it's a perfect combo of this. And the sausage McGriddles. Oh, this is definitely worth a try. One of the best burger. 9 out of 10. So, This is not sponsor or anything, but the Mcgriddles. You should McDonald's. If you watch this, you should keep this as a permanent item of breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's really good. So I'll end the video here. See you all in the next food review. Bye bye.